Solar energy is way too expensive, some people say. Well, that is not completely true. Have you seen solar panels installed in neighborhoods or communities where there is for sure a low income? Have you thought about how these homeowners get approved for a solar line of credit? That could be considered big because it's between $15,000 to $40,000 on average. Well, today we're going to talk about this topic, but before we do that, I invite you to follow us in social media at GoCleverEnergy and visit our website at www.gocleverenergy.com. Getting back to the point, we were talking about why people with a fixed income go solar these days. Well, I think what is happening is homeowners are understanding what is exactly what they are paying when they pay electricity. And when they sit down and do the mathematics of the situation, they understand that going solar, they will be saving money for sure. Initially, in the middle term, and in the long run. So let's do an example. On average, a family of 4 people in Central Florida could be spending $200 every month. So if you multiply that times 12 months in the year, that's $2,400 every year. Now, if you ask the question, how much were you paying 10 years ago, you will be probably agreeing with me that it was less than $200. Meaning, most probably in the future next 10 years, you will be paying more. That's why homeowners, when they sit down and do the mathematics of the situation, they realize that solar is actually bringing their savings. So the question here is, why, if the government gives you an incentive of 26% of the total cost of your solar system in a energy credit or tax deduction of your taxable income, plus you see savings in comparison with your monthly electric bill, and there is a moment in time where you finish payments of your solar system, but you still keep the benefits, meaning you are still producing the energy that you're using for your house, why not to go solar? Well, I really invite you to consider this type of projects. Just choose a good, honest, reliable solar expert and a good company. And if you want to have our estimate, all you have to do is book with us a free solar consultation, share with us your electric bill, and we will be more than happy to help you. See you next time!
Want to learn more? Visit GoCleverEnergy.com today and see how the sun can provide you savings.